How's it going, everybody? We're going to do a part 2 of my garage walkthrough. In the last video, we went over my 2000 Corvette. I got the 85 Camaro Z28. This was my first car. Got it when I was 16 years old. It has the 305. It's definitely not a speed demon by any means. Do a little shot here. The only thing that's done to it, obviously it's a carbureted car. The guy put an intake, carburetor, headers, MagnaFlow exhaust, and then he put some IROC replica chrome wheels on there. I actually haven't done anything to the car other than I had it resprayed in 2011. It's a little dirty. You probably can't really tell too bad in the video, but it's maybe on the back you can see. But it's a dark blue poly by PPG was the color, so it has a little bit of metallic in it. The color that it was didn't have any. All right, interior shot here. Got some nice rusty bolts on the on the steering wheel. Yeah, nothing too fancy in here. The only thing I really noticed that I haven't seen a whole lot of other third gens is I have the center console clock, which is kind of cool because, like I said, I haven't really seen a whole lot that have had that, and it actually still works, so that's pretty cool. It's a 5-speed car. Interior itself probably needs some work, but you know, it's a good cruiser right now. Headliner's shot. Not the worst I've ever seen, though. Yeah, that's pretty much the interior here. That guy's probably wondering what the hell does this guy have in the storage unit. Yeah, not really planning on doing any mods to this thing. The only thing I could think of that I might actually do is maybe lower it a little bit. It's kind of sitting like a truck in the back. I lowered the vet on the stock bolts. This has lowering bolts. So that definitely needed to get lowered, but yeah, I'd like to lower this thing. This thing has quite the wheel gap. If anybody's done that, I've seen some kits from some companies, you know, they don't look too expensive, but let me know the ride quality if you guys have a third gen that you've lowered, or you know, what kit you think is the best. Yeah, other than that, I mean, throw some comments of, you know, things we could do. Like I said, I don't really have big plans for this at the moment, but I mean, things can definitely change. Yeah, that's my 1985 Camaro, the Z28. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. I'm trying to grow the channel a little bit. I've only have like 20 subscribers as I'm making this video right now. I just want to keep making content for everybody to watch, you know, like, comment, give me some feedback. If it's bad, good, whatever. I mean, any feedback's good feedback. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. It's in good shape. Other than the hood won't close now, I guess. There we go. Oh, it's hard not to film the vet. So pretty.